Hello everyone. Do you want to make your first $5,000 online with zero experience? I am about to show you a secret method using a tool called Money Robot that literally does all the hard work for you. And the best thing is that it's newbie friendly. Okay? The everyday you see many people are earning real money by offering simple SEO services like backlink creation on Fiverr. This is the Fiverr website and here is the SEO clerks. There are multiple websites providing backlink services, but I am going to show you two of this. Okay, but here is the twist. Most of them are using automation software and the best one is Money Robot Submitter here. Okay, let's first understand the whole video, then we will go step by step process. Okay, it's like having your own digital worker doing the job while you are asleep. In this video I will walk you through about everything step by step. So let's start with the Fiverr. When you go and click on the backlink, and I hope you can hear my voice clearly without any problem. Yeah, so when you click on the backlinks, you will see the people are selling here. 30,000 results are showing it to you, and if you just go on the relevance to, also you can go to the pro services as well. People are making good money off here. And the just hold on, I will show you something else. The best thing is that I will convert it into USD so you understand properly how it's working. Okay, as you can see, people are asking, they are just working, they are providing DA 90 plus SEO backlinks for $20, $45. Here get the 585 customer reviews, 471 customer reviews, $60, 1000 with the $80, and so on. You can see there are multiple websites like this. If you just check it out on the Fiverr, they are providing backlinks. Okay, the same thing is here. SEO clerks, thousands of reviews and getting the good amount from it. Okay, 15,000 customer reviews and $55 and so on. Also, if you just go on and Google it, I hope you can hear my voice. Yeah, so when you Google it and just go on the backlink services, and you will see there are multiple websites here. You will check it out. They are providing you backlink services and they are charging you $1,000 to $2,000. Yes, you can hear me right. People are paying $1,000 to $5,000 per client and they are providing this kind of services. So how it will work for you, and for newbie person who don't know anything about it, how you will start earning money. You can start with the software. In the description there is a link, just click below it. Okay, this is my affiliate link. So in the future I will provide best videos to you, so you will get it from there. So first let's start with enter your this is the trial version, but I am going to show you. Just click on the link below, sign up, and here's the pricing option for you, so you will understand it properly. There's two options. First is $67 monthly and second one is high cost $697. So if you are newbie and you want to earn money online, you just need to invest $80 because it will add the tax as well. Okay, so it will add the tax as well, so you just need to buy this, and then for 30 days you have Fiverr SEO clerks. Also you can mail me, I will provide the client list for you, so you will mail them and I will give you all the info how you get the first your clients for your 10 clients, and you will start earning money from there. Okay, so how it will work, there is a video in here moneyrobot.com, you will see it. I just show it to you testing purpose. Just I show it to you as a VIP player, as a VIP player.com. This is my website providing IPTV free services. Just go and check it out. It's a VIP player. This is the keyword I just want to show it to you. Okay, this website I am also selling it at $5,000 to $6,000. Okay, it's ranking right now. When you type on the Google just SF VIP player, it will come up. Okay, so you will see this is the software running right now, but it's for just the demo version. Okay, so don't do this for your clients. Okay, don't try to be over smart, because it will not work like that and you will lose your client. Never lose your client, because if you lose one client you will lose $10,000 yearly thing. Okay, because in the starting person, people pay you $20, $50 for their work. If they like your work, they will pay $500 to $5,000 as well. So don't lose your clients. Okay, remember this thing. So as you can see, they are submitting right now, and you can take 24 hours or 48 hours for your client that I will provide the backlink. And what kind of backlinks they are providing to you? They are providing the best backlink you ever seen. Okay, Web 2.0, wiki backlinks, press releases, and many more. You can check it out their website as well. Just click the link in the description and you will see it. Okay, so this is the best website, and this is the best way you can earn money. You don't need to work 24 hours. Just start, put the campaign, add the keywords, add the URL, and just forget it. Okay, you can do multiple website as well with this thing. So there is not only two websites providing this kind of work, you will see. And if you are a newbie or new person, you don't know what is the Fiverr, what is the SEOClerks, I will give you a simple explanation. These are the freelancer websites. You just need to sign up here, and you need to post your information that we are providing backlinks from the wiki, from the different kind of information. You just provide it, like I will show it to you. You just go and just check it out on what kind of money robot and money robot backlinks. So you will see what kind of backlinks they are provided to you and everything. You just put copy and paste and you will see it. Okay, just go there and you will get all the info. The best thing is that you will get the main info here. I just running the campaign, that's why you are not seeing it. Okay, just show it to you so you understand it properly. Right now it's running. Here in the pricing section I will show it to you so you understand first. If you are newbie and you don't know about anything online and you want to earn some $1,000 to $2,000 monthly, you will do that easily. It's and if you don't know who I am, I already spent 12 years in this online industries. So I just want to create some videos to help you guys to make your first $1,000 to $5,000 easily. Okay, so here all the information. Here is the information I needed. What kind of backlinks you will get it. Okay, Web 2.0 backlinks you can create. You can create web directories, wiki articles, social network posts, social bookmarking, press releases, Web 2.0 profile, forum profiles, and many more things. You can understand. You can create multiple gigs. Okay, what is gigs? Here, this is called the gigs. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, you can see you can create multiple gigs. Web 2.0 blogs, you can have them $20. Social network posts $20. Web directories $50. Press releases $150, $200. Article directory submission $50. Forum profile, Web 2 profile, and multiple things. All the information how you can use there in this. Here you will see and check it out. Just click the link in the description. Here the results of their clients. Okay, so this is the best thing. When you earning more than $500 to $1,000, then you need to buy the $697 one-time fees. Okay, if you have money and you work online, you can start this as well, and if you don't have money, you can start with the $67 as well. Okay, I hope you understand it, and if you need any kind of info, you can comment me. Okay, I hope you can hear my voice clearly, so you can comment me and I will give you all the info as well. Just work on this, guys. People are really making money easily. When they get the clients, they make a list of 50 to 20 clients and they sell them every month their website or new website their clients are creating, and they will pay $1,000 to $2,000 per website, and they easily make 20 to 25,000 monthly from their clients. So understand this is the great thing, and this is not don't think about the SEO is dead and everything. They are stupid because they are just trying to getting the views. So okay, don't do this, just work on this. It will make you money, real money. Okay, I hope you can hear my voice clearly. So just in the description, click the link and work on it. Okay, thank you.